Hi, I'm Josh with American Credit Assurance. Welcome to our webinar on how to finance your contracts with credit assurance for government contractors. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the basics on how to use credit assurance instead of cash to finance your government contracts. Credit assurance allows you to use the future accounts receivable from your awarded contract or purchase order to secure your financing. Because credit assurance is not a loan program, no strong personal credit is needed, no loan debt is created, and your initial credit limits can easily increase as your business grows. Let me show you how to finance your contracts by using credit assurance to earn free and clear profits completely debt-free, and all without draining your bank account or using personal credit cards to fulfill your contract obligations. This strategy gives you the ability to use business credit to help you keep higher cash balances in your bank account while allowing you to draw cash to pay your suppliers on time. As we get started today, it's important to note that you can use credit assurance to build business credit with your suppliers and then draw cash from your receivable-based credit line so that you will have the ability to pay your suppliers' invoices on time to build your business credit in the fastest possible way. So, even if you don't currently have high personal credit scores or hundreds of thousands of dollars in the bank already, you may still be able to finance your government contract even if you have not been able to get approved for bank financing. Why? Because your credit is secured by the future receivable created upon completion of your duties under the contract. Now, let's dive in and let me show you our step-by-step process so that you will learn exactly how a typical credit assurance transaction works. So here's how it works. I'm going to give you the step-by-step process on how a typical purchase order for products works, keeping in mind, of course, that for service contracts where there are no products delivered, the receivable-based credit line may still be drawn to advance cash with a copy of a verified work-completed invoice. In this example, we will use a $100,000 purchase order just to keep the math simple. So, step number 1, contract award. Here's a $100,000 contract award to a business with an approved credit assurance limit and receivable credit line from ACA. Step 2, contract costs. The contract cost of goods is $70,000, but rather than the contractor prepaying $70,000 to the supplier, credit assurance in that amount is issued to the supplier by ACA on behalf of the contractor. This allows the contractor to establish or extend net credit terms to fulfill the order on credit instead of prepaying with cash so that the contractor can build credit by protecting the supplier from payment default. Step 3, products delivered. Once the products are confirmed as delivered, the contractor will send their invoice to their agency customer for $100,000 and send a copy to ACA. Step 4, credit line draw. ACA will then draw $70,000 to pay the supplier within 15 to 25 days to assure timely payment to the supplier to manage the credit terms between the contractor and the supplier. Step 5, invoice payment. The agency later pays the contractor's invoice, generally within 30 days, to your ACA account. Step 6, credit line repaid. The $70,000 drawn earlier to pay the supplier on time is repaid to restore the credit line back to 100% for repeated use. Step 7, account balance. The remaining balance in the account is the contractor's gross profit. Step 8, transaction fee. The average transaction fee is subtracted from the remaining balance. And finally, step 9, net earnings. The contractor's net earnings of $22,500 are dispersed to the contractor's business bank account via ACH. The transaction's complete and now ready to be used again. Congratulations, because you just financed your government purchase order with $0 out of pocket by using business credit together with a receivable line to make your supplier's payment on time, regardless of your current business bank balance. To wrap up, you can apply 100% risk-free. Just click on the Start button to answer a few questions about your business to pre-qualify, apply, and upload your award documents. If qualified, you'll receive a term sheet offer disclosing all credit limits, rates, fees, and the amount of your working capital line. You may approve, sign, and return the term sheet or simply decline the offer. It's completely up to you. Before we go, here are a few key points to also remember. Credit assurance is not a loan program. All funding is subject to prior credit and profitability approval, and credit assurance is a business credit builder program, so it cannot be used to prepay suppliers. Thank you very much for your time and attention to learn more about how American Credit Assurance can help you meet your business financing needs. We're American Credit Assurance. We facilitate growth for government contractors. To contact us, just click or call today.